Welcome to our lesson on geometry. Today, we are exploring acute angles. Specifically, we will learn about angles that measure between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Before we dive in, let's quickly remember what an angle is. It is simply formed when two rays meet at a single point. This meeting point is known as the vertex. So, what makes an angle acute? The definition is very simple. An acute angle is any angle that measures less than 90 degrees. To visualize this better, compare it to a right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees, like the corner of a square. An acute angle is always smaller or narrower than this corner shape. Think of the range of angles. If you start at 0 and open up, but stop before you reach the upright 90-degree mark, you are in the acute zone. The word acute actually comes from the Latin word for sharp. This makes sense because these angles often look like sharp points, like the tip of a pencil. You can see acute angles everywhere. Look at a clock. When it is 2 o'clock, the angle between the hour and minute hands is less than 90 degrees, making it acute. Another common example is a pair of scissors. When you open them just a little bit to make a small snip, the blades form an acute angle. In geometry class, you will often see specific acute angles like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. Notice how all of these are smaller than 90. To wrap up, remember these key points. Acute angles are greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. They are smaller than a right angle, and they look sharp.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.